Hello everyone, fitness family. Today we are diving into Revolution Nutrition's Creatine Monohydrate 1 kg, the unflavored, pure powder designed to help boost energy, enhance performance, and support recovery. Let's break down what this product is all about. This is 1 kg of pure creatine monohydrate, completely unflavored and additive-free. That's 200 servings of 5g each. It's designed to amplify muscle strength, endurance, and recovery when paired with resistance training. Creatine monohydrate is the most researched form of creatine, clinically shown to enhance high-intensity exercise capacity, strength, and lean muscle growth by 5%, 15%. It works by increasing phosphocreatine stores, supporting rapid ATP replenishment during bursts of power or strength work. The formulation has no flavorings, sweeteners, dyes, or fillers. It's 100% creatine monohydrate for clean supplementation. Manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, every batch is independently tested for purity and consistency. Well tolerated by most healthy individuals. Side effects, if any, are usually minor, like temporary water retention or bloating, usually during loading phase. These are typically short-lived. High long-term use up to 5 years has been shown to be safe in healthy adults. Anyone with kidney or liver conditions should consult a healthcare provider before starting creatine. Start with a loading phase if desired, then move to a daily maintenance dose. Combine with resistance training, squats, deadlifts, bench press, sprints, etc. Pair with adequate protein, hydration, carbs and rest to maximize recovery and growth. Creatine is not a steroid or an illegal substance. It's a naturally occurring molecule in muscle tissue backed by extensive research. It's not only for bodybuilders. Athletes across sports, sprinters, military personnel, and recreational lifters all benefit from use. Misconceptions about kidney damage are largely debunked. Creatine elevates serum creatinine slightly but doesn't cause damage in healthy users. So there you have it, a clean, effective, budget-friendly creatine powder backed by science and genuine reviews. If you are serious about adding strength, lean muscle, energy and recovery to your routine, Revolution Nutrition's Creatine Monohydrate 1 kg could be exactly what you need. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more supplement breakdowns, and drop a comment if you have questions, or let me know if you are trying it out.